Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Afiq Hayat bin Ahmad Yazid. My metric number is 23DLS18F1054. Today, we would like to present about our final year project. Before I start, let me introduce about our team. First is Muhammad Nur bin Ahmad, metric number is 23DLS181010. Second is Muhammad Hafizuddin bin Suaid, number metric is 23DLS18F1020. And Nurul Nadirah binti Roizan, metric number is 23DLS18F1030, and my group name is The Pandemic, and the supervisor of the project is Sir Shamsul Nizam bin Abdul Rahim. Introduction. Layout play a significant role in graphic design. Layout refer to arrangement of element on a page, usually referring to specific placement of image, text, and style. Understanding the layout of design is very important. Designing a mechanical workshop layout means guaranteeing a comfortable and safe environment both for workers and for customers, and complying with all the technical standards required. Layout design for Carzlan Auto and Spray workshop facility is an important element which support the production of a company to run smoothly. The less effective layout of the facility is result the product produced by the company less than the maximum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ahmad. My metric number is F1010. This slide for business problem statement. There are some problems that Carzlan Auto and Spray are facing. One of them is layout of Carzlan Auto and Spray is not strategic. It's very complicated. The movement of the vehicle to in and out of the flow of the layout is not organized. Next, Carzlan Auto and Spray does not have a specific place to put all the equipment and raw material. So when the equipment is placed everywhere in the workshop, it will pose a danger to worker and customer, which can cause injury. Other than that, Carzlan Auto and Spray also had a small space for deliberation. This can cause any project became late. In cause of the problem, Carzlan Auto and Spray were unable to complete the request by deadline.
Alright, next is the objective of the business project. The objective of the business project is to develop a layout and manage storage system at our Carzlan Auto and Spray workshop. And the specific objective of this business project is to optimum space to organize equipment and facilitate movement of goods, and to create safe and comfortable work environment. Second is to reduce movement of workers, raw material, and equipment. And last is to promote safety of plant as well as its workers.
Scope of business project. 1. The paint shop had a problem with layout and storage. When the duration of study is 5 months, which is from July until November 2020. How? Improve the layout and storage. Where? Lot 3102, Kampung Jijan Tengah, 71800, Nilai Negeri Sembilan. Who? Carzlan Auto and Spray.
My name is Nur Nadira bin Roizan, nomor metrik 23DLS 18F1030. Limitation of business project. Limited access to data, distant teammate make it difficult to discuss together to complete the business project, which current situations is very hard and dangerous to meet people in an organization to survey and collect the important information to related with our final year project. Time constraint. Time constraints are due to the responsible that need to be implemented as student to the lesson and need to focus on all subjects based on the side of the manager. There is their own time to achieve their goal and objective in business and yearnings to complete it. Limitation due pandemic COVID-19. Pandemic that hit this world caused the emergence of accessible to everyone, especially to students. Students have to use online platform to conduct lecture. This makes it difficult for students to communicate and share ideas face to face because in this virtual world there are some problems to connect.
Company background. As you can see the picture at the slide, he is the owner of Carzlan Auto and Spray. His name is Carzlan bin Mukri. He is 55 years old. The address of the business is at Lot 3102, Kampong Jiran Tengah, Nilai, Negeri Sembilan. The company started established in 2010. The total staff of the company is 2, and the operation time from Monday to Saturday at 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And the mission of the business is to make customers satisfied with his job, and the vision is to maximize their profit.
Organization chart. Carzlan bin Mohri, 55 years old. The position is owner. The company have 2 employees. First, Suhaimi and Zulkifli.
Next, product and service. Service provided by Carzlan Auto and Spray, which is a repair body service which is have a damage. In addition, Carzlan Auto and Spray also offer painting service in their workshop. Often, the process of painting a car will take a week or more. It depends on the car. If a small car may take less time than a large car. So the price offer for a car is RM2,000. And lastly, Carzlan Auto and Spray also offer aircon service for car. So for this maintenance service, Carzlan Auto and Spray only take wages and profit is as low as RM7 ringgit for one car.
SWOT analysis. Strength, weakness, opportunities and threat. Analysis is a framework used to evaluate a company competitive position and to develop strategic planning. SWOT analysis assess internal and external factors as well as current and future position. Strength. Analyze the advantage or strength of basic resource available. Core competitive positive contribute to the success of an organization. Weakness. Analyze the limitation of existing resource that could hindering the achievement. Any factor that may harm the success of the organization. Opportunities. Analyze situation of major benefit for organization. Assess positive effect of on the way to the success of an organization. Threat analysis situation mean unfavorable to the organization. Drawback of an organization. 5C analysis. Company, strength and weakness, goal and objective, culture, resource, technology, experience. Competitor, current and prospective, opportunities and threat, product and market share, customer, market size segment, purchasing habit, trade and buying process, overall customer certification, perceived value by customer. Collaborate, supplier, distributor, allies and partner, climate, regulation and government oversight, social and culture, legal and technology.
Next, justification. Project is needed because the existing layout does not follow the more efficient justification and does not take care of the safety of employee while working. Next, the problem to be solved by the project is the problem of difficulty in moving that can delay a project completed on time because the layout used now is not strategic. The purpose of proposing a solution to this problem is to increase quality of work and increase efficiency of employee and can complete order from customer quickly. Next, the benefit the project have been if the work produced satisfies customer. The customer who come to the workshop will give a good feedback and we recommend to this workshop to their friend and to the public. Positive effect will changing the layout of the company can increase the efficiency of employee and ensure the level of safety because the arrangement in the workshop is more organized and safer. Other than that, by improving the layout of the company can solve the problem effectively. Thereby, the new chances could open the company can add more paint shop branches because the company has received a lot of response and good feedback from customer. Lastly, this problem affect community at the moment is this layout problem affect many things including difficulty in moving, difficulty in storing good and complicating the current situation of emergency due to the lack of safety features at the point of emphasis. By improving the layout of the company can solve the problem effectively because the flow within the company will be more organized and more important invoice of security will be emphasized in order to reduce the losses that will be borne by the company in the event of an accident.
Research design is qualitative research and quantitative research. The interview held at Kampung Jinjan, Carzlan Auto and Supply Shop is a car painting service and tapping a bad car research. Interview the manager about the store run and what services are offered. Involved in interview are a total of 5 people including the store manager. The sample is 9 state and select the population of LBJ, Jinjan and Instead. Before making an interview with the company, we make a phone call and deal to set up the date to interview with them. The team member have a 4% and one manager took a part in the visit. The form did the interview tag is a main structure where we have a list of some question, a random question before an interview with the owner and staff at Carzlan Auto and Special. The owner give a team member to snap a picture of the report about their company. Formal letter are used to get permission from manager before doing the project. As a group member, we have a focus to collect and keep all the data about Carzlan Auto and Supply Shop for our project before complete the task given. For an interview session, do not start a cold interview session. Always be aware of the purpose of the interview. During the visit to Carzlan Auto and Supply Shop, we observe at their company we find a problem that the company has faced.